Hello, intrepid souls and lovers of the dark fantasy. Gather around as we venture once more into the treacherous yet captivating world of Hell's Paradise, Jigokuraku. Prepare for a journey where survival is just as uncertain as the shifting sands of the island itself. The saga continues with Hell's Paradise, Jigokuraku, Season 2, where the search for the elixir of life becomes even more desperate and dangerous. With no official release date yet, the anticipation is building for a potential Q2 2025 premiere. The stellar cast from Season 1 is set to return, including Chiki Kobayashi as Gabimaru and Yugiri Hanmori as Sagiri, alongside the new voice of Ryota Suzuki as Yamna Asimon Shujin. Season 2 is expected to pick up with the events of Chapter 60 of the manga, plunging us into the Horai arc where the surviving criminals and executioners must ally to defeat Lord Tensen. This season will unravel the mysteries of the island and the enigmatic power known as Tao. Envision the airy beauty of the island, a place where death and wonder coexist. Our characters are not only battling for their lives but also grappling with their pasts and the very essence of their beings. The Horai arc promises to be a deep dive into the lore of Hell's Paradise, with intense battles, strategic alliances, and the haunting allure of immortality. This is a tale that goes beyond the surface of action and adventure. It's a profound exploration of the human condition, of redemption, and the lengths one will go to for a second chance at life. It's about the bonds formed in the face of adversity and the personal revelations that come with each trial. Hell's Paradise, Jigokuraku, is not just another entry in the shonen genre. It's a dark masterpiece that weaves horror and philosophy into a narrative that will leave you questioning the very nature of life and death. If you crave a story that challenges the norm and takes you on an emotional roller coaster, then Season 2 is an absolute must-watch. That's all for our glimpse into the abyss that awaits in Hell's Paradise, Jigokuraku, Season 2. If you are as thrilled as we are for this epic continuation, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more anime insights, and share this video with your fellow adventurers. Until next time, may your path be clear and your will strong.